Here is a Nokia G21. I'm going to show you how to transfer files such as your photos and videos directly from your G21 to your Apple computer, your MacBook, or your iMac using the charging cable that comes with the Nokia G21. It's a USB-A to USB-C. Okay, so first thing is plug in your USB-A. So I'm going to plug this into my USB port in my MacBook here. And also, we're not going to be using iTunes or nothing, okay? The only thing is, what I would recommend is downloading this Android file transfer. You'll see that little green guy there. It's a free download, and once you download it once, you don't have to download it again. All you got to do after you download it, you just pop in the your G21 or any Android phone. You'll be able to transfer right onto your MacBook. Okay, direct, like drag and drop. So the Android file transfer, I'll put a link below. Again, it's a free download, and once you download and install it, it's going to be a little Android green guy there. Okay, so once you have that, next thing is just go ahead and plug in your phone. So we're going to plug it in. Okay, now right away I get this message right here that pops up. Okay, and you can see that it's automatically checked on no data transfer. What you got to do is go up here, file transfer. Okay, but the thing is, if this window here doesn't pop up, the only thing you got to do is just make sure that you're signed in, and then scroll down notifications, slide down like this, and the very bottom here it says Android system charging this device via USB. Just go ahead and tap on that, and then down here it says tap for more options. Tap it on it again, and there's that window again. And from here, what we want to do is we want to make sure we tap on file transfer right there. Boom, right there. Okay, now something here popped up. That was from that little Android guy, but let me just click on OK here. It closes, no problem. Let me go to that little Android guy here. Let me reopen that up. And then from here, our photos and videos that we've taken with this phone would be under the DCIM folder right here, DCIM. So let's double click on that, and then let's double click on camera. And now you can see I only have 4 files here. Okay, I have 3 photos here. I know because it says JPG on the extension, JPEG, and I know that's a video file if it says vid here, but it also says MP4 at the very end. Okay, so from here, because we installed the Android transfer bot right there, we can pretty much drag and drop what we want, like a Windows computer. Now you can drag and you can drop it right onto the desktop, let go, and boom, there it is. Okay, now what I typically do is I'll just make a new folder here on the desktop, and I'll just call it Untitled Folder 2, and then from here I can drag and drop what I want. I'll just highlight all of them, and I'll drag and drop this new folder I called Untitled Folder 2. I'll let go. Go ahead and let it transfer. Okay, should be done now. Let me go ahead and unplug my phone. And that folder I just created right here, if I double click on that, those 4 files should be right there. Pretty simple. Any questions or issues, just comment below. All right, good luck guys. Bye.